Very good morning, my dear children. Today we will discuss workbook problems from the fraction chapter. So, before that, let us revise what we have learned last day. Okay, so who can say what is a whole? Who can say yes, Nia? Unmute and say what is a whole?
A complete or full object is called a whole.
Very good. A complete or full object is called whole. Okay, very good. Next, what is a fraction? Who can say what is fraction? Yes, Casina. Please unmute and say.
Man,
Sorry?
a
Uh,
fraction means,
uh.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, a fraction means a whole thing that an object.
Part of a whole. It's a part
Ma'am,
of a whole. Otherwise, how you can say?
ma'am,
Anybody else is ready to give answer for what is fraction? Ah, yes, Anandita. Casina, please wait. One more uh, definition you can say. Okay. Uh,
ma'am,
numbers. Uh, uh, numbers.
numbers
Uh, of the form.
of the form. The
Uh,
number of the form.
uh, numbers of the form. Numerator by
Numerator
denominator.
or by denominator is called fraction.
Yes. So Casina's and Aradhida's answers are correct. Good. Okay, all of you please revise the topics what we have discussed the last day. Okay. So fraction means either you can say part of a whole, otherwise you can say numbers of the form numerator by denominator. Okay. What is numerator? Who can say? What is numerator? Again, Nia. Anybody else? I want to see Aiden. Unmute. What is numerator?
Topper number.
Not total. That is denominator, my dear. Numerator means the number of parts selected or number of parts taken. Okay. Numerator means the number of parts selected or number of parts taken. Denominator means total or denominator represents the total number of parts the whole is divided into. Okay. Total number of parts. So numerator means the number of numerator represents the number of parts selected or denominator means the represents the total number of parts. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Let us do some
Yes, ma'am.
exercises.
Yes,
Open your
ma'am.
workbook. Open your workbook, everyone. Bhagya, where were you? Last class I didn't see. Not only last class, many classes. Please turn on your video. What happened? Only smiling face. So first question, read. Bhagya, read first question. So all of you take the page. Ah, Bhagya,
I don't have book.
you don't have book. You are staying somewhere else
Yeah.
other than your home. Okay, okay. So okay, Bhagya, will you read it from the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So all of you take page number 28. We are going to discuss case number 1. Okay. Bhagya, read.
The figure
Hmm.
square is
Ah,
divided
ah, divided.
into dash equal parts.
Yes. How many equal parts?
Four.
Very easy. Yeah. 4 equal parts. Option C, 4. Good. Bhagya, you can mute your audio. Now, Rahul, please read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The figure is divided into dash equal parts.
Ah,
Ma'am, 3
yes. Option B,
D.
3. Good. Now, Benedict, next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The figure is divided into dash equal parts.
Hmm.
Uh, op- option option B 2.
Yes. Option B, 2. Now, good. Benedict, next question to Sane has to read next question. Please unmute and read.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Question number 4 I am asking.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, ma'am, 4 out of 8.
ah.
4 out of 8.
Will you read the question?
Uh, the fraction of the standard shaded part in
Ah, that shape is dash. How many parts are shaded? Will you say the fraction?
8 and 4. 4.
Here,
And
how many parts are shaded? 4 parts.
4.
Total, how many parts are there?
8.
8. So, what will be the fraction?
4 by 8.
Very good. 4 by 8. 4 out of 8. That means 4 by 8. Good. You can mute your audio, Sane. Now, Stenin, please unmute and read the next question.
The fraction
Hmm.
of the
Hmm.
shaded part is
Unshaded. Uh,
unshaded part is
uh, the given figure
2.
is
2.
you have to write as fraction. Fraction means you have to write in the form numerator by denominator. When you hear fraction, you have to keep in mind that form numerator by denominator. Here, how many parts are unshaded?
2 parts.
2 parts. Total, how many parts are there?
3.
3. So 2 out of 3. How you will write as
3.
fraction? 2 out of 3. How you will write as fraction? Down options are there. 2 out of 3. 2 parts out of
Ma'am,
3. Ah,
D.
my dear, is it 3 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 3? Which will be the answer?
Ma'am, 2 by 3.
Yes, 2 out of 3 means 2 by 3. Okay, 2 out of 3 means 2 by 3. Here, 2 parts are not shaded and total 3 parts are there. So, 2 by 3 is the fraction of the unshaded part. Okay, have
Okay,
you
ma'am.
understood now? Stay in.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, next question to Ryan Harris. Please unmute.
Ma'am,
Question number 6.
the fraction of the
Ah,
shaded part in
ah. What is the fraction of the shaded part? How many parts are shaded?
1.
1. Total, how many parts are there?
2.
2. So, 1 out of 2. How you will write? 1 out of 2. How you will write? Here, 2 out
One
of 3 we have
out of
written as
two.
2 by 3. So like that, 1 out of 2, how you will write?
1/2.
1 by 2. Is that clear to you? Hmm? Have you understood
Yes.
now? Okay,
Yes.
you can mute your audio. Now, Rahul, please turn on your video. Please turn off, don't turn off. Dan, please unmute and read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
2 out of 4 equal parts are called.
2 out of 4 equal parts are called dash. How you will write 2 out of 4?
Ma'am,
2 out of 4, how you will write?
ma'am, first of 2, then a
Ah,
down a line, then 4.
how you will read it?
Ma'am,
Ah, how you will
so
read it?
4.
2 by 4.
2
You
by
can
4.
2 out of 4 means you can write
2 by
as
4.
2 out of 4 you can write as in the fraction
2 by 4.
2 by 4. How you will write this in words? How you will write this 2 by 4 in words? My dear children, when you write fraction in words, the numerator you can write as the same, but denominator you can write as ordinal numbers. 4 means, what is the ordinal number for 4? Fourth.
4, sir.
Positional number, ordinal number. Fourth. So you can write as 2 fourth. Okay. So for this question, it will be good if you are writing in words. Otherwise, if you are writing 2 by 4 also, it is okay. So 2 out of 4 means 2 by 4. That in words, when you are writing, you can write 2 fourth. When you write fractions in words, numerator, you can write the spelling, and denominator you should write the ordinal number as the ordinal number. Okay, today I'll give you few exercises. When you are doing that, it will be more clear. Now, next question. Dave, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
A
number
complete
8.
a complete or a full object is called a ma'am whole.
Whole. A complete or full object is called whole. Good, very good. Now, next question to Muhammad Ihsan. Yes, unmute.
Number of the form.
Numbers of the form.
Numbers of the form numerator by denominator are called fraction.
Yes, numbers of the form numerator by denominator are called fractions. Very good. Very good, my dear. You can mute your audio. Fractions. Fractions. Yes, you can write because numbers of the form. So you can write fractions. Jovial. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, will you read the next question?
Write the
Numerator.
numerator and denominator of the fraction.
2 by 3. Right, then
2/3.
numerator and denominator of the fraction 2 by 3. Yes, what is the numerator in that?
2.
2. Numerator is equal to 2. Correct. Then what is the denominator?
3.
Numerator is equal to 2 and denominator,
3.
yes, correct, my dear. Very good. You can mute your audio. Please learn the spelling, numerator and denominator, fractions. All these spelling, all of you please study by heart it. Write and study 10 times. Okay. Okay. I hope you all are ready to discuss the next question. Are you all ready? Have you all completed this much? Have you all completed this much?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Now, next question, I think Jovial got chance to read, right? Okay. Now I want Ardra to read. Ardra, please read the next question.
Yes, ma'am. Write the fashion.
Divide
Fashion.
the question number 11 I am asking, my dear.
Divide the given figure into equal parts.
Two equal parts. My dear children, you have to divide this figure into two equal parts. Either you can draw like this, otherwise like this. It should be through this dot, only that much. You can in the center you can sew a dot through that line. It should cross like this. You can draw, otherwise like this you can draw. However you like, you draw. It should be two equal parts, but for the time being I'm going to draw like this. You can draw as you like. It should be two equal parts, only that much. Ishan, doing. Now, Amrin, please unmute and read the next question.
Ma'am,
Ah, question number 12.
Right.
You read.
write the fraction for the shaded part.
Yes, fraction of
Ma'am,
the shade.
ma'am, 2 by 4.
Very good, very good. Because here two parts are shaded, so that will be the numerator. By total, how many parts are there? One, two, three, four. Yes, four parts. So 2 by 4. That is the
Ma'am,
ah.
ma'am, I do earlier.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I do earlier.
Very good, very good. So Amrin can mute your audio now. Next question to Ishan. Please unmute and read the next question.
Write the fraction for the shaded part.
Of the
Shaded part.
following figures. First question A. Others, please keep your audio muted. Only Ishan want to unmute and keep. Ishan, wait, Ishan. Let me mute. Ishan, once again you unmute. You mute. You unmute? Yes. First question. How many parts are shaded in that
Ma'am,
circle?
3.
Three parts are shaded. So, and
Ma'am,
how?
3 by 5.
No, total how many parts are there, my dear? Total how many parts are there in both shaded and unshaded? You can count. Total how many parts are there? All of you count.
Ma'am, 8.
8. So what will three parts are shaded out of 8 equal parts. So what will be the
Yes.
fraction?
Ma'am, 3 by 8.
Very good. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 because numerator is the number of parts we selected and denominator will be the number of total number of parts. So here the fraction is 3 by 8. Very good. Ishan, next question to uh, yes, Meha, please unmute and read or give me the answer for next question. Question B, fraction of the shaded part.
Ma'am,
Ah,
3 by
sorry. How many parts are shaded in that?
3 by 5.
Wait, my dear. Let me please hear my question and answer. How many parts are shaded in this figure?
5.
5. So, and total how many parts are there? Total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
So total 8 parts are there. So 5 parts are shaded out of 8 equal parts. So how you will write the fraction? 5
5
out of
by
8. How you
8.
will write?
5 by 8.
Yes, very good. 5 by 8. 5 parts are shaded out of 8 equal parts. That means 5 by 8. You have enough space in the next page to write answer. So you can write over there. Now, Adi, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 40.
Write the fraction of
Write the. Hmm,
write the
hmm,
fraction
hmm,
of the
hmm.
unshaded parts in the following figures.
Uh, Write the fraction of the unshaded parts in the figure. So, in that, how many parts are unshaded? Question A. How many parts are unshaded?
2,
2
2,
parts are unshaded. Total, how many parts are there?
6,
6. So, what will be the fraction? 2 parts are unshaded. Sorry? 2 parts are unshaded out of 6 equal parts. 2 out of
2
6.
by 6,
Sorry?
2 by 6.
Yes, very good. 2 by 6. Here, 2 parts are unshaded out of 6 equal parts. So, you can write 2 by 6.
2 by 1.
Now, the next question, answer Veda. Please unmute and give the answer for next question. Unshaded part, fraction of the unshaded part.
1.
Is it fraction, my dear? 1. How will you write fraction for the unshaded part?
1 by 2.
Very good, very good. 1 by 2. because one part is not shaded or one unshaded part is there. Total number of parts is 2. So 1 out of 2, that you can write as 1 by 2. Now, next question to Aradhya. Please unmute.
Ma'am,
Question number 15.
write the fraction of each color in the following figures.
You can, the first figure has white and gray. So
White
first we can,
and-
let us see the fraction of the white part. How many white parts are there?
6. Ma'am, 6.
6 white parts are there. Total how many parts are there? Total how many?
9.
9. So how you will write the fraction of the white part? 6 white parts are there, and total 9 parts are there. So 6 out of 9. How you will write?
6 by 9.
6 by 9. Very good.
9.
Like that, gray part. Here, how many gray parts are there?
Gray parts 3.
3. So
And
how you
3.
will write the fraction of the gray part?
Gray part 3 by 9.
Very good. 3 by 9. Because 3 gray parts are there after 9 equal parts. So this question now we are going to write. This one all of you try to do now. This question answer I am going to write. So you write like this for question A, fraction of the A, we are going to write the answer. Here you can, if you want, you can write white parts equal to 6, gray parts
White.
equal to 3, and total number of parts equal to 9. Parts colored white. Fraction of the part
Ma'am,
colored white.
ma'am,
Yes.
after white parts equals to 6, the word, can you read it?
Gray parts. Grey. Grey. Gray parts equal to fraction of the uh, white part. The colored part, the white is fraction of the parts colored white is equal to, you know, 6 parts are colored white. So 6 by 9. When you write fraction, it will be, you have to write like this form. Don't write simply 6. You have to write 6 out of how many equal parts. Then fraction of the parts colored gray equal to, you know, gray parts is 3.
3 by 9.
3 by 9. Like that, for the next question, try to find out the answer. No need to write. Try to find out the answer. Okay, everyone. Okay. Have you all completed? Have you all completed?
No.
Anyway, time is up. I will send it the WhatsApp. Those who have to complete one or two
Ma'am.
line, you can
Ma'am, no.
complete it from there. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
the
thank you, my dear children.
16%.
Bye. See you next day. Bye.
The 16%